I come from Intel. My name is Udayan Mukherjee. I'm an Intel Senior Fellow. I lead all the product design and architecture for networking and edge products, including 5G infrastructure and then future 6G. We have a long association with NetworkX. I mean, we had this in the US also and now here. Very, very good event. I had a panel study on AI RAN. There's a lot of discussion on how AI is getting into radio access network, audio and network in general. And a lot of good networking meetings, and which is very positive here. Last week I was in India Mobile Congress, and earlier this year in MWC. This one is very approachable, cozy, and not in such a huge scale that you get lost. So a lot of, and especially some of these lounges and operators, especially in this time, a lot of European operators, a lot of good discussions and networking. And some of the sessions that I was there in AI RAN with operators, very detailed. Some of the works going on in different and the way it's organized in different forums like this, lounges, data center lounge, mobile platform services. There's actually very well organized event, very disciplined. These are the events that we look forward to. Like I had multiple discussion this time with operators, both in Canadian operators like TELUS and French operators like Orange and all of the Deutsche Telekom and all of this, and they are all our collaborators and customers, and this is not just this year, last year. So a lot of engagement on where we are in this thing, sharing our technology, understanding their problem statement, their requirements, and how do I address this. Now a lot of discussion this year on 6G, what is coming and how is my Intel Silicon architecture is evolving to address those. A lot of those detailed discussions happening. So it has helped in the product direction. Here there are 2 or 3 things stands out. One is this whole in the networking and edge, this revolution of a software-defined network. So Open RAN, Virtual RAN, and the cloud-based packet core, and how is those things are evolving in 6G, and then you cannot go any place without AI. So artificial, how is it getting into the layer 1? How is some of the standards going to change? Is the silicon architecture going to address some of those? So those are the things that are really, really taking the mind share. Absolutely. I mean, this brings in telecom equipment manufacturers, the product developers like us, silicon and system software, and then operators. So a lot of the follow-up on these discussions will continue. Like we had a couple of the meetings this morning that we will have detailed follow-up on the workshops in subsequent months. So there will be a lot more engagement as a downstream on this. So it is good to actually meet with the leadership of different operators, customers, and then with their team, build the next level of details. Those are working on mine.